All right, you are welcome back to this section. So, in this section of the class, we'll be looking at some work examples on projection of vectors. So, we'll be seeing how to find the projection of vector A on another vector B. So, vector A on vector what? Vector B. So, I'm going to be, let me pick A. So, you do B and C yourself. So, let's see. So, now, let's take solution. So, let's take this. We have vectors what? A to be equal to what? 4i plus 6j. Then we have vector B to be equal to what? 3i minus what? 2j. Isn't it? Good. So let's see how that works. So now we have the first thing to do is to find the modulus of vector B, right? Good. So let's take the modulus of vector B so that we can obtain its unit vector, because it is the projection of what? Of vector A on vector what? B. So we are going to find the modulus of this, which is what? This gives us 9 plus what? 4. So you go root 13. Right? Good. So let's obtain the unit vector of B. So that gives us vector B itself over its modulus. So what's vector B? So we have this to be 1 over root 13 into 3i minus 2j. Right? So the next thing to obtain the projection, so we can say let p let p be the projection, be the projection the projection of A on B. That is the projection. So we can say that p is equals to A dot the unit vector of B. That's the projection of A on B. So we are going to take that now. What's vector A? Vector A is what? 4i plus 6j. So what's the unit vector of, sorry, the unit vector of B? So we have 1 over root 13 into 3i minus 2j. Right? Good. So this can also be written as 1 over root 13 mathematically, if you are familiar with algebra. So you agree with me that this can be written as this 3i minus 2j, so that we can find the dot product of these two. So we have 1 over root 13 into 4 into 3 plus 6 into negative 2. So that gives us 1 over root 13 into what? Which is 12 plus what? Sorry, negative 12. Negative 12. And that gives us 1 over root 13 multiplied by 0. And that gives us 0. So the projection of A on B is what? 0. That is how to find the projection of a vector on another vector. Can you see that, class? Okay, that's very good. So we have come to the end of this class. You can do B and C on your own to check on how to do it following these what steps. So once again, thank you very much for your time and do have a wonderful